welcome to Krishi Jagran, sir.
Thank you very much.
And what is the establishment of Amity Bioorganics?
We established Amity Bioorganics in 2016. Since 3 years back, we are into manufacture of integrated pest management products at this point of time, which will replace or which will minimize the chemical pesticide usage in the agriculture sector for different products, different crops. And we are now also looking at some of the non-chemical crop care and crop health management products also. So now and we have come up with a totally different concept of insect lures and traps. Basically, we have a natural ingredient which is absorbed into absorbent, kept in a trap, and that trap will be kept in the field, agricultural field. Whatever the insects they get attracted and trapped, so that there is no next generation.
That will be very helpful for the crops and plants.
It's very useful for the farmers so that they can have more yield when there is less pest attack. Then naturally there will be more yield is a possibility there. That is a basic our concept and idea of establishing this company.
What are the major working areas?
We majorly presently we are working on agricultural what you call horticulture and agricultural. In horticulture means where vegetables grow, we grow vegetables, and we grow where is a growing of fruits. For that product, for that crops also, we have a pest control products which controls the pests. That is the area where we are presently concentrating on.
In India, where is your company working?
It is in Hyderabad, Telangana state in Hyderabad, the company is.
So tell us something about your products in detail. Any new products which you have launched?
Yes.
We have different products for different crops. Like for paddy, we have one product which will control the insects or pests attacked on the paddy. We have similarly we have for paddy, we have for wheat, we have for maize, we have for tomato, we have for brinjal, and we have for okra. And we are slowly trying to add new products. Apart from that, we have different products for different insects. Like each a crop is attacked by a specific insect, like cotton bollworm or pink bollworm. Pink bollworm is attacks cotton crop. Cotton bollworm attacks different crops. So we have a specific insect based also and crop based also. So that is what we have now, and we'll keep on adding new products based on the market needs.
So can you name some of your products which you have just given us?
Yeah. There are two types, madam. One is individual insect crops, lures. We call it as a lure. Okay, it is a lure we call it. There are two types. One is crop care. For entire crop, it takes care from the sowing to harvesting. So in between that, there are 3 to 4 varieties of insects which attacks the crop. So to control that, we have made a crop care like, so that or any insect it tries to attack the crop, this is trap will trap and it will kill. That is one type of crop we have, but that we call crop care. For example, we take it, paddy crop care is there, brinjal crop care is there, tomato crop care is there, and similarly wheat and maize. We have okra and citrus. These are these 8 varieties of crop cares we call it, which controls the insects of different types. And similarly, we have another type, individual insect attack. For example, if you take tomato, there is one insect, we call it as a tomato leaf miner.
So what are the challenges your company has faced?
The major challenge is the awareness of the product, the awareness to the farmer, and he getting convinced about the concept. Basically, see, when you see the Indian farmer, what happens? The entire year's effort is in his crop, and if there is some problem, again he has to wait for the entire next year. So he always has a reservation. Why should I move from this to that? So that is a major challenge for us to really break and get into their system.
So how are you making the farmers aware about your products, so that they are aware of your products and then they use it?
Yeah,
Basically, at this point of time, what we are doing is we are approaching the Krishi Vigyan Kendras in different parts of the India, and they being the scientists or the people who are aware of this particular concept, we are trying to promote our product to them first. And they are in turn taking the trials, or they are asking some of the farmers to take a trial. Then that is where it will be easier for us to convince a known person who has the concept. The Krishi Vigyan Kendra scientists or entomologists are convinced, they know the concept. Only thing is they may not be having the access for the product, but that is how we are doing. We are giving the product to them and say, okay, this is the concept, you know the concept, here is the product, you try.
So what is the company's plan for 2019?
2019, actually, along with the existing products, we are going to add another couple of products, as I said, just now. And that will be also very good products, madam, as far as we are with our experience with with the people to whom we have supplied as a trial, and we got a good response from them. Hope these two products will add and it give a good support to the household women and household, wherever the kitchen gardens they want to develop. It will be a very useful product for them.
In next 5 years, where do you see your company?
5 years, we want to at least reach out to minimum of 20 to 25% of the farmers.
Indian farmers.
India is such a huge country.
And what is the plan to expand? How are you planning to expand?
We presently, being a startup company, now slowly we are improving with our product, this product, and with that we are going ahead. So as on it is somewhat difficult to give the actual picture, but we are really planning, and we are also trying for an export. So we have some international customers who are also convinced with our product. So we are planning and we are just moving.
Any message which you would like to give us to farmers?
Yeah, we actually ask the farmers to try to have more non-chemical products than a chemical products, which give direct effect to their crop as well as for their health. And we are more concerned about the health of the farmer. If farmer is very healthy, naturally he tries to keep healthy about his crop. When he is not healthy, he cannot keep his crop health. So what my concern and my message is, he should think once about the products which innovative products, not only just going just routine. It should be innovative. How best we can use a product with use more yield, best yield. So in that way, you should try to reduce the chemical usage.
We want to get an identity that okay, this company has contributed for something for the better agriculture system, with protecting the environmental interests.
Yeah.
That is our focus area.
So Krishi Jagran wishes you all the best for your dreams.
Thank you.
And
Thank you
we
very
are
much.
with you to support you.
Definitely, madam. For the past 2 years, we are working together.
So if the farmer of this country is healthy, then are the crops, and so is the entire nation.
Naturally, madam. That is our basic concept, and our aim is that. See, farmer should be, because it is a agriculture-based country. When it is an agriculture-based country, farmer should be. He should be healthy. He can be healthy when he use only the organic or which use more health to him. So for that, he should change over his mind. He should change his mind, and he should think which one gives more betterment than presently we are using. That is how he has to think, and that is we are planning to move in such a way so that he can have some idea about what we want to, our company is planning to do for the benefit of the farmer.